Hi, my name is Billy Leong, investment strategist from Global X, and welcome to this week's Global X Express Lane, where we cover weekly events that could grind markets to a halt, events that investors need to be cautious of, and of course, signals that provides the green light to go. Now, with the markets hitting all-time highs, including the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, this week's going to be another jam-packed week. In terms of positive catalysts, we believe it's going to be the ongoing US earnings. We've already seen a large number of reports last week, and we're going to see 23% of the S&P 500 by market cap reporting this week, including Tesla and Amazon. And the key to focus on will be revenue breadth, capital expenditure, and of course, margin expansion. Now, what about the things to be cautious of? We believe it's going to be the flash PMI data. Services data has been weak recently, and now with the focus will be on how much the manufacturing activity has been impacted by potential tariffs. Now finally, what's going to provide or what's going to grind the markets to a halt? And we believe it's going to be the Fed speak. We're going to see Jerome Powell speaking ahead of the Fed Blackout, and this could provide a narrative or a shifting change in tone in terms of how the rates trajectory will be. As a bonus, we also have to watch out for the RBA minutes this week, and of course the China Politburo meeting will be happening this week as well. I hope you enjoyed this week's Global X Express Lane, and I hope we'll see you next week. Thank you.